Hi, welcome to Copenhagen. Thanks for dropping in. Hope everybody is doing well. Today I am having a look at day number 2 of the 2024 Diamond Painting Advent Calendar from Diamond Art Club. So here we have Christmas Advent number 2. So we'll see if I can open this one without tearing anything. Try and get my finger through. Okay, not as successful this time. I did tear it a bit. But number 2 is okay. See if I've learned my lesson on how to get into these things. There should be a little channel, and there is. It is very tight. I'm going to take it because I can't work it on this table because the table is at an angle and everything is trying to slide down the way. So got it. So number 2 is a little diamonds sparkle pal. So I think I need to switch a light off. That's a bit better. So we have Sparkle Pals Nutcracker. The size is 5.9 inches by 3.15 inches, 15 centimeters by 8 centimeters. Art kit DIY includes everything you need. So if we have a look at the side, we have Diamond Art Club, Do What Makes You Sparkle. Then we have all the socials. We have Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest and TikTok at Diamond Art Club. Website www.diamondartclub.com. On the other side, exactly the same. So on the back, DIY Sparkle Pals, kit contents, Sparkle Pal times 1, wooden baseboard times 1, superior quality diamonds, toolkit not included. So we'll open it up. No, we won't, it's taped, didn't see that. So we have a little disc of tape. And now we'll open it up. So inside we have this. So the first thing is this little envelope. We'll look at that before we look at anything else. So this is a thank you for your purchase. Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle. On the back, tips and tricks for your project. So a couple of tips on how to improve things. And then if we open the envelope, we just fold the little diamond and open it up. So inside we have kit contents, then we have the Facebook group. So if you scan the QR code, you can join the Diamond Art Club Facebook group. I think we're at about 40,000 members now. So if you're new to diamond painting, very, very good place to go if you have any questions. Everybody is very helpful and will definitely try to answer your questions. If you've been diamond painting for a while, drop in and just get to know other diamond painters from around the world. See what people are working on, what they've completed, what they're hoping to do next. Very sociable group, very friendly group as well. Definitely recommend that you join. Then we have the socials again. Then we have 2 QR codes here, one for iPhone, one for Android. Scan the code and download the Diamond Art Club app. If you do that and you make a purchase, you will save 20% off your first purchase through the app. So definitely worth getting that if you're looking to get another Diamond Art Club kit. 20% off. So that is the envelope. Just fold the little diamond back up, pop it through, and that's it. So the next thing is the drills. So Nutcracker, Sparkle Pals. So we know we've got the correct drills for this kit. Little glue strip on the bag, just peel that back. Take the drills out. We'll just have a quick look at them. So they don't have the DMC codes on them, all they have is a number. So just a quick skim through to see the colours that we get. And that's pretty much it. But I do see we've got some ABs, these ones here, Aurora Borealis. They have a special coating on them, so when you walk past, they reflect different colours. The drills are white, but if I tilt it in the light, I get different colours reflecting back. I can see green, blue, purple, yellow, red. So when you walk past, you'll get all these little sparkles of different colours. Really nice effect. And just checking if we don't have any more ABs. We do. The red is an AB as well, so we have that effect again. We've got red drills and they are reflecting green, yellow, red, blue, purple and gold. So that is the drills for this kit, nice and small. Then we get the actual character. I really like this, really simple design but looks really good. So we have a little wooden character, a little nutcracker. Just finding the seal for the bag. It's a resealable bag, so just open it up, take the contents out. So we have on the back, Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle. And then when we turn it over, we can see the little nutcracker. These are made of wood, they're not plastic. So if the kids are doing them and they accidentally drop them, they're not going to crack. There's a pun in there somewhere, nutcracker. They have a clear cover. I'm trying to get off. If I had nails, it would be a lot easier. There we go. So if I peel the cover back and then I tilt it in the light, you can see the whole surface is covered in glue. So that's why we have the cover, to prevent anything from sticking to it. So it's a really simple idea, so the kids can do this. We have a number and then we have numbers on the bags, and it's just a matter of finding the right number and then taking some drills and putting them down. So for example, let's say the red one for his jacket is number 2. So these red ABs will be on his jacket and on his hat. So it will be very sparkly. We've got 2 different ABs in this. Once it's finished, all you do is you get the base and you put the character into the base. I won't do it because I don't want it getting stuck until I've done it. So then you have a little standalone diamond painting character that you can stand up anywhere in the room or in the kids' bedroom if you want. So very decorative little Christmas idea. It looks really cool. So another one of these small projects. So it could either be for someone who's just looking for a break, or just someone who loves Christmas and wants to do little Christmas decorations. Maybe you're having a party, you can stand this up. And it's a good way to introduce children, to get them interested in diamond painting. Hopefully they take it up as a hobby and eventually get onto the full-size diamond paintings. But yeah, it looks really good quality. It's very well finished. There are no edges or sharp pieces of wood sticking up or anything like that. They've obviously taken a lot of care in the finishing. So if the kids are working on it, they're not going to accidentally end up with little splinters of wood in their fingers. So definitely child friendly. Yeah, I like it. So that was day number 2 from the Diamond Art Club Advent Calendar, and it was a little nutcracker from the Sparkle Pals range. Sparkle Pals came out because Diamond Art Club were thinking about how to get younger people interested in diamond painting. So they were thinking about simple little designs that don't take too long, so that kids don't lose interest. They were also there for people who do diamond paint as just fun little projects to take a break from the larger diamond paintings, do something that's fun, and you can actually stand it up and move it around the room. You don't hang it on the wall, so it makes it more versatile. So this one, little nutcracker for Christmas, really nice design, very simple. So I think the kids could get involved in this on the build up to Christmas. You could maybe ask them if they want to do the nutcracker, and then they can tell people who come around the Christmas, they can show off what they did with diamond painting. So really good idea. They are very well made. They are definitely safe for kids, no sharp edges, and they are made of wood. So as I said, if it accidentally gets dropped on the floor, it's not going to crack like plastic could, and then somebody could maybe get hurt. So yeah, really simple little design, but it works very well. I really like the colours on it as well, very festive, very sparkly. So just another little addition to your diamond painting collection. So that's it for today. Day number 2 is done. So the next video will be day number 3. So please remember to subscribe and hit the notification button. You will get a little message when the video goes up, and you can have a look and see what it is. And if you haven't already found out, try and take a guess at what it might be. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and in the meantime, take care, be safe, and wash your hands.